Hello, this video tutorial is to assist you using the TI-83 or TI-84 to find the inverse norm function. The inverse norm function itself is another way of saying you're going to use your standardized z-table and work backwards. For example, you want to find the z-score that corresponds to the cumulative area with a value of 0.1412. To do this, hit your second key, then bars. Notice how inverse norm is directly under normal PDF and CDF. You may recall that normal cumulative distribution function is something that we often use when we're using a standard bell curve. The inverse norm function is another way of working backwards using the normal bell curve. Select that. When you have a specified problem, you will enter the z-value. In this particular example, our z-value is 0.1412. If you're using the older version of the TI-83 or TI-84, you just hit inverse norm, open parentheses, 0.1412, then hit enter. If you have a more modern version or up-to-date version such as this one, make sure that your area, which represents the cumulative area, is entered. Notice how your mean is 0 and your standard deviation is 1 because you're representing a standard bell curve. Select paste, then hit enter. You now have found the z-score that corresponds to that as -1.075.